really important that we play our role in the fight against climate change, as individuals as well within the business. As Managing Director of Portland Lighting, I wanted to lead by example and ensure that our business is sustainable and future thinking. So I started looking into solar panels to power our site with clean and renewable energy to reduce our carbon footprint. The financial benefits, of course, an additional bonus to allow us to save money on our high energy bills. I think it's really important that businesses look how sustainable they are. There are issues of global warming that we all need to consider our manufacturing processes, sustainability of products, materials, local suppliers, and I think we all need to come together and fight towards a greener world. We selected Eneco Energy here at Portland because we knew they had such a great reputation within the industry. Eneco were excellent throughout the whole installation process. They had a technical know-how and confidence to deliver such a large bespoke system to suit our requirements. I can't fault them, they were fantastic. The solar PV system is completely automated and we use an app on our phones to view our generation and reduction in carbon emissions. It's really good for us to be able to see the system and know exactly how much energy we're producing. In total, we'll benefit from savings of around £225,000 and our solar generates 48% of our energy, which will save us over 500 tonnes of carbon. With such high energy demand here on our site at Portland, it was really crucial for us to reduce our reliance on polluting fossil fuels by switching to a greener renewable energy source. And we're also embracing circular economy values, implementing new manufacturing design processes, using sustainable materials from local suppliers, and have also this year reduced our plastic packaging by 90%. We're really pleased here at Portland that we've took the step towards sustainability, and I hope we can inspire other businesses to follow suit. If your business is looking to reduce carbon emissions, looking at solar, I would definitely recommend you getting in touch with Eneco Energy.